SpaceX.
That's over 20 years.
Rockets and Dragon spacecraft.
That's going to be how it is. I think it's going to just become normal.
In the next few years.
You've got to take big chances in order for the potential for a big positive outcome.
Hey, how you doing, buddy? Much. Get out of here. All right, take care. SpaceX's birthday was a week ago. I came here to celebrate on my own. If you're new to my channel, I'm Kenny. I travel, see new and novel things, and take you all along with me. This thing behind me, that's the Falcon 9. This particular Falcon 9 is the first Falcon 9 to launch and land on its own. That's important because space is expensive. Imagine taking a plane from one end of the country to the other and having to rebuild that plane every single time. It would be expensive and nobody'd really go anywhere. Well, this is the first one, first space vehicle to go up and go down and be reusable, which makes it a lot cheaper. And it's going to get cheaper and cheaper, and it's going to be a lot more going on in space because of that. That's why space tourism is a reality now. Jeff Bezos and a lot of other people are talking about it. This Falcon 9 is 230 feet tall. That's 70 meters. And it sits here in Hawthorne, California at SpaceX's headquarters. Also, it's a mission control where they control their space flights, and it's a factory where they build all their space vehicles. I wish I could get a little bit closer. I mean, I just had to come out here. I've never seen one. This is my first time ever seeing a SpaceX space vehicle. These things are massive. They're going to be launching the Starship in a month or two. I might go see that if I can. I'm not sure. But I'm pretty excited because that's going to be the most powerful rocket ever. So I'm just going to walk around and take a look. So I'm going to walk around the facility. They got a lot of security and people protecting it, and we're not allowed in, but I'm going to do the best I can, see what I can. There's not much other than going in there. There's not much to see on the outside, but we'll see what we can film. Not really looking for anything in particular, but just wanted to see if I can see what catches my eye. What's going on in there. And here is the Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is another project by Elon Musk, but with his different company called the Boring Company, as in boring under the ground, not like boring being bored. It's a bit smaller than I imagined, but this is probably a test tube. Can't really see anything in there. So for those of you who don't know what a Hyperloop is pretty much a high-speed transportation. What it uses are tubes and pods. So this here is a tube, and there are little pods inside that either can transport people or goods or anything, and it works by having no air pressure. I think they create a vacuum on the inside, so there's no air friction. Things go slower when they go through the air, and when you take the air out of there, then they use magnetic propulsion. If you've ever had a magnet and moved another magnet along with it, like a little magnet, well, it will be that on a larger scale. And when you take those magnets, which you can move at pretty much any speed you want, and you have no air friction, then you can move things super fast. I think they were trying to build a Hyperloop between New York and DC, which would have got people from one place to the other super quick. That's the future, and it seems like that's what Elon Musk tends to bring us. This is just the beginning of my trip. What I'm going to do is, I'm in Los Angeles right now, and I'm going to take the Amtrak train to Seattle. Never been to Washington State before. It'll be my first time. But in between, I'm going to stop and check a few things out and bring you along with me. So I hope you'll follow along and keep up with the videos that'll be coming out soon. And let me know what you think. If you support me and you enjoy it, like and subscribe to the channel. Share it with others who might get something out of it. And until next time, I'll see you.